Hi everybody and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm Tom Solid and today we will talk about the iPad mini again. No, not about the iPad mini in particular. We are talking about the case of the iPad mini and why you shouldn't buy the Apple version. Okay, if you're watching this channel, you know that I bought the iPad mini 6, the latest version of the iPad, and I love it. Everybody loves the iPad mini and it is really the best small tablet that you can get to date on the market. But Apple, you all about the perceived quality, and I mentioned already in the original review. Look at this. See this dirt? I just cleaned it. Yes, maybe there are some particles on the table, but still it is so easily attracting dirt. Look at this. You see each fingerprint. And this cost me 65 euros for this. Today we will talk about alternatives. If you're following this channel for a while already, then you know that I'm all about this ZUGU case. This is by far the best third-party case that you can get for your iPad. And unfortunately, this is not available yet for the iPad mini. Of course, this is only if you don't need a keyboard. So this video is about cases without a keyboard, okay? However, also the ZUGU is not available yet for the iPad mini. I got something that looks very similar to the ZUGU case. I doubt that it will reach the quality of this because you have the leather feeling and all this. And I have this for 2 years now and it is still quality like the first day. And you have this convenience way to set this up. Why is no iPad in there? Because it's in my Magic Keyboard. I'm not a big fan of the Magic Keyboard, but it is still the most convenient keyboard case that I can get. We've been talking about this in the Paperless Movement community as well. And this is actually one that I got recommended. It's SOKE or SOKE. My little girl actually just starts reading. And this is the German word for SOKE without a C. So this is just misspelled. But she said, why do you buy such big socks? All right, I like the style, and you have different angles that you can put on, 2 different angles. And I always like it, especially for drawing, if I would have a flat angle. But that's not possible. So I don't understand. If they just add something in here that you could put there, then we would have the perfect angle for writing. Let's put the iPad mini in there. And now we have the iPad here. I don't like the wobbiness. Okay, you have to get in the Apple Pencil the right way so it connects and starts charging. But the way this places the iPad is really ugly. You know, it's all over the place. Look, it's not very easy to place and not happy with the overall feeling. It's well protected, okay? You have to say that. And that's another point. Using the Smart Folio, you have no protection whatsoever on the side. In this case, I don't want to take out the iPad mini at all. So this is not protected at all on the sides. And here you have a all-around protection. You even have your Apple Pencil secured in here. So this stays proper in place. Okay, for this, it's okay. And the price is really cheap. Now let's get to the next alternative. And in this one, we have a transparent background. I like it because, well, what's the point picking a color if you can't see it? Okay, but it's the same with this one. You don't see the color at all. So if you look at the front, can you guess which one is the Apple one? Yes, so this is the Apple one. And I can tell you, this feels a lot better than the original Apple. And it also looks like that this is not attracting as much dirt as the one from Apple. I really regret that I spent any money on this one. And of course, again, we have the addition that we have the whole way around protection. And we have an extra case where we can put in the Apple Pencil. We can just easily get it out. So it's not as accurate to recognizing my fingerprint. It's overlapping a bit. and this makes it hard for the finger to place without actually pressing the button. So that's a real downside again. And then you can see it's moving like this. This is really the best solution for the ZUGU case, because in this it actually aligns, whereas here there's no alignment, so you can actually move this, and this is, you know, doesn't look very nice. But compared to the previous one, that's the better solution. But now I'm really looking forward to unpack this one. So there's ZTOTOP. I don't know, guys, why do you call your cases this way? ZTOTOP, the ZTOTOP cases, plural. So it says elegant and royal. I will compare this obviously to the real royal-like case, which is the ZUGU. Ooh, I already see a bunch of plastic. It smells like it feels plasticky. So I don't know if it says elegant and royal. Yeah, it looks different. So in the inlay, it feels a bit like you have from the ZUGU case. Yes, it feels and a lot better than the other cases. Okay, even here on the back, so they have some details and like such things. But this plastic here and this plastic, this looks so cheap. I don't know what to say. Okay, and it's the most expensive alternatives. It's still a lot less expensive than the ZUGU case. So if you're really looking for something equal, this might be the solution for you. Let's just check this out. But I can already tell you, it's worth each penny investing into the ZUGU case, or maybe waiting for the ZUGU case to come out for the iPad mini. Certainly, if it comes out, I will get it. I will make a review here if it really can keep up its quality. We already see that here we have the edges. They are aligned with the frame. So the button is free compared to the other one from the DLeever that we had. See how fast this is? I love it. And we have an extra case for the Apple Pencil, also much easier to slide in. And now we have the different positions. Let's see how good this is. Okay, it's magnetic. This is great because that's, again, for the ZUGU case the same thing. We have magnets in there, which makes it easy to hold properly. See? This is really great. That's the angle that we can get. It is still a bit steep, but it is a lot better. And especially it is stable. It's not as wobbly. So this is good. So the very first impression when I unpacked the ZTOTOP cases wasn't that impressive. However, now that I'm using it, it is good. I have to say, for the price, it's a lot cheaper than the ZUGU case. And it provides similar features. It protects your Apple Pencil. It's fully protected overall, and you can close it easily. Again, it stays stable here. It doesn't feel that cheap compared to all the other things that we had here. So I can really say that's a good recommendation. If you don't want to wait for the ZUGU case whenever this comes out, and if you really want to save a lot of money compared to the ZUGU case, then this is the one to go for. It's certainly 1,000 times better than using the original Apple one. So this is just crap. I can't find another word for this. I'm really disappointed by Apple. The same for the Magic Keyboard. So if you're looking for an alternative, then this is it. I hope you found this information useful. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also maybe looking for a case. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you up next time.